Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a Rumble channel and upload your first video. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're an aspiring video creator, well, this video is going to be perfect for you if you want to create your channel and Rumble. So the first thing that we want to do here is we need to go to rumble.com, and from there we need to sign up. So to sign up, click on the button at the top right that says sign up. And once you click on it, you'll be redirected to the sign up or register page or form here. So we need to provide the following information. So that includes our name, the username, our password, the confirmation of our password, our email address, and the retype of our email address, as well as our country, birthday, and the optional fields here. So for now, let's go ahead and fill out all those details. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on by creating an account with Rumble, and checking this box, you are providing the rate agreement with and consent to Rumble's website terms and conditions of use. And from here, let's just click on register. Now from here, it's going to say congratulations, you have successfully registered as a Rumble creator. Now please check your email to activate your account to start uploading your videos. Now at the bottom, it's going to say subscribe to Rumble's featured channel, so you could go ahead and just subscribe to them if you want to. But going back, let's go ahead and go to our Gmail. So in our Gmail account, you should see an email from Rumble. So go ahead and click on it, and from here, click on your link, and that should actually activate your Rumble account, which is really cool. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to start creating our channel. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on our profile at the top right. And from here, we want to go ahead and go to account overview. Now under account overview, this is where you'll be able to see your total earnings if you have that available into your account. Now we have our YouTube earnings, third party earnings, Rumble earnings, and the total. If you want to cash out, just click on cash out button here. But for now, let's go ahead and start creating our channel first. So scroll down a bit until you see the channels option here, and just click on create channel. Now from here, we need to provide the details for our channel, so that includes the channel name, the title, and the description. Now we also have the option to upload a thumbnail if you want to, and a backsplash again or also. Now from here, we also have the option to add social URLs, like for example, if you have a previous following on another social platform, you could go ahead and enter URLs here for Facebook, Truth Social, X, and Instagram. Now for now, let's go ahead and enter those details. Now once we uploaded all those files and added our details, let's go ahead and click on create, and from here it's going to start creating our channel. Now in this case, the next thing that we want to do here is to start uploading our videos. So at the top right, you should be able to see a video or a camera icon. Go ahead and click on it, and from here choose the upload video option. Now from here, we go ahead and select our video. So there's a max of 15 GB for a video. So for example, we want to basically choose this one and just hit on open. Now we also have to provide a title for this video. So let's just go ahead and add this one. Choose a category. Let's say entertainment. Secondary is going to be, and from here you could choose the thumbnail. Now from here, go ahead and choose that, or you could basically upload your own. Now we also have the tags, which is optional. So we also have the channel option here, which is the channel that we just recently created. Now we have our visibility, which is public, unlisted, private, and scheduled. So if you choose public, anyone can watch this video. Unlisted, only people with link can watch this video. Or private, only you can watch this video. So go ahead and choose your visibility, but since we want this to be published to other people, let's go ahead and choose public here. And from here, let's go ahead and click on upload. And from here, the upload is going to be the current section here. And from here, we have our video licensing options. So we have video management, and we video management excluding YouTube. So we have the non-exclusive similar to YouTube, and not monetized, not searchable, available to your subscribers. Now in this case, we have the option to choose video management here. If you want to learn more about it, you could go ahead and hover over the eye icon here. So it's going to say you are selecting Rumble to be your exclusive worldwide patrol agent for such content. The option here for video management, it says with exception on youtube.com, which is specifically excluded, you are selecting Rumble to be your exclusive worldwide perpetual agent for such content. Now go ahead and choose your licensing option. For now, let's go ahead and choose video management here. And from here, you can provide the other details, which is you provide your YouTube video URL if it exists. You also have the terms and conditions, so we want to basically agree to this one. So if you want to read further in it, just go ahead and click on the link here. But for now, let's go ahead and click on submit. So it's going to be submitting, and let's wait for it. And from here, we could go ahead and just click on view test since the upload is complete. Now from here, it's going to show the video, and from here, waiting for a coding server to claim video. And from there, you should be able to watch your video after it finishes processing. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.